Hello guys, so we are going to start with the Halloween project. So I don't know if you follow mixed media artists, but now is a trend, the mini books, and I absolutely love them because it's like a mini project that you can finish very easily, and then you can just keep them or give it as a gift. I find it very interesting. So I am starting with the covers because I needed some flowers. So what I did was just buy some fabric flowers, the ones very cheap. And so now I am using the dies of a set after in brown and gold. And then I am showing you here that I absolutely love the spray paints. But the thing is that uh, um, it's not easy to work with them because normally the caps get stuck. So what I did was just buy some others and then just using it. And I am using a mask and my window is open. And here you have the mini book itself. So I am using a mix of fabrics and papers. I had these like embroidery projects that I had in my studio, so I just cut it down and just thinking which side do I like it. But I wanted to have like a old wall, like a street wall that is a street wall that it's very old. So I am using different mediums here. I am using the gloss media of Dina Walkley, and then I am working in the same way the fabrics and the papers. So I am using the same exact products. And the only thing is you have to experiment because depending on the fabric, the reaction with the paints is going to be different. But I absolutely work in the same way. And then I have the designs that I am using both in the cover and inside the book. I used one image from Free Peak, which is a website where you have a lot of design elements there, and you will find it in my blog, where I will put it for you to download if you want to follow along with the project. And so now I am using the daily plate and just using the excess paint that was in the fabric to do more impressions on other works. I have different fabrics and different papers. I don't know in the end which ones I will use, but in the meantime, I'm just preparing different so I can choose later on. And yeah, I am just working in the layers. I normally work very spontaneously with the jelly plate, so I'm just adding the colors that I feel like I need and just building the layers because, as I said, I was looking for this like rustic, old, vintage, I don't know how to say it well, and this is what I am trying to achieve. And then I will recommend you to put a paper because I am all the time putting my paints on my table, and it's very easy to clean the set after products and Dina Wakley too, but it's even better if you have a paper and then you don't have to clean all the time. And here is the paper that I like it the most, which is a craft paper where I was just work with some acrylics on top of it, especially because it has like this orange already, which is very Halloween, right? And now I was missing a little black, so this is what I am doing. This is just acrylic paint with some water and building the layers. So this is gonna be the first part of the explanation of how I made my mini book, and then you will find the final video, which is a little video that I created very Halloween style. Then and you will see the final project. So this is all for this part. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up, and then I can see you in the next video. See you next time, guys. Bye.